Today I will show you how to replace the reading lights, driver and passenger. So we just hold the credit card and we put it in this area here inside. As you can see, we put it like this and it comes out. Here it is. It pop-ups like this, and we unclick there like this, and here we got the reading lights. So we just change the light. I have already changed with LED. We just put it back here to click back to here there, and we do it back inside. Here it has this metal which comes inside, and we are ready. The same for the passenger.